So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to perform the rainbow flick in FC24. Okay, so what you need to do is just push the right analog down and up quickly. Okay, it has to be vertically down and vertically up. If you do it slightly sideways, he's gonna perform another trick. So for the rainbow flick, it's, you can check in the top right corner what I'm pressing. So let me just position him properly. It's straight down, straight up. Like that. You can use this to beat a player or go past someone or even the goalkeeper to score a goal in FC24. Okay, that's basically how to perform the rainbow flick in FC24. Thanks for watching and good luck.